Okay, so let's we just start the topic that is called integrated learning. Integrated learning. This learning you can put in big picture. This learning you can put in a big picture. Each part of information, even if it is a teeny part of information, you can use that teeny part of information to making it a big picture, to making it a big possible thing that you want in your life. And if you don't follow this method, even you got a big part of information, you can't fix it anywhere. It becomes like a burden. Like you may have seen so many students have completed graduation or 12th grade, still they are so suffered, they are overloaded of information. They are overloaded of information because they got information as isolated method. They don't know where to use geography, they don't know where to use history, they don't know where to use political science, they don't know where to use math, they don't know where to use their education. Because they have not connected their education with the real world. They have not studied those old things because they wanted to connect, they wanted to make a big web. I will teach you about the old other things that like how decay happens in the knowledge. I will tell you, but that is not the time right now. Okay, so this is what, just focus on the class. I know this is very hard, this requires so much effort and it's giving you so much discomfort as well because you're not such a fast learner, but it's okay, you'll have to bear all the things because you want to be a fast learner, right? So you can put this in a big picture. And integrated learning, you can store information, you can store information for long time than isolated method. The method isolated which is used, you can remember information for a very short period of time. After some time that disappears. It doesn't get remembered. But through this method you can remember information for the lifetime, for the long time. Because the information is having a web. And even if you have a single part of information, the single part of information is connected with a multiple information. And if you carry the single information in your head, it can bring all the information that you have connected with the web. So it becomes very difficult to forget. But if we use the method of isolation, then it becomes very easy to forget all the things that you have learned. And that is how the students forget everything when they face exam. They don't understand that what is happened. Because the method they used, you have understood now. And information is processed. Information is processed. Information is processed for purpose. For purpose of integrating it. Each amount of information you get through internet, you get through people, you get through your teacher, you get through anyone else. You try to get those information because you have a purpose to use that information to make a bigger web of the information. You are using this information, you are taking the information with eagerness to get all the information because you want to expand your web of information. Because when you have very less web, when you have very small web, and when it comes to speak, our decay happens very fast. What is decay? Decay means you came to speak something, and as you start speaking, you become blank. You end up, you don't have words to speak. And this thing is called decay. So the deep processor have very slow decay. Means very long time they can speak. They have so many words in a line to speak out. And the people who don't have the big web, they have very fast decay. They speak one sentence and they be quiet. Sir, I don't know what should I speak. I don't have anything else. Getting me? Why this has happened? Why this has happened in the head? The information that we have read doesn't make any web. And that's why when it comes to present that information, we find ourselves that we are lack of information. We don't have that presentation. We don't remember what we have learned. We don't have anything to speak. And we see the fastest decay than anyone else. We speak good morning, sir, and after that we become just blank. We don't know what to speak. It has happened just because of that. Now you're understanding how your brain works. Now I'm teaching you that how you behave and why you behave, how you can change it. And I promise you, this video will change your way you think about your things. I promise you. So, this is what am I talking about. That is here, that purpose of integration. You get information because you have integrated learning method. So you get information, all information, you connect a web, you have a big web. Like you may have watched the video of a movie of Iron Man. He has an AI, right? Artificial intelligence Jarvis. Jarvis have a web, biggest web of information. And when the other AI that is called another AI, what is his name is called, which is Devil AI, which kills the Jarvis, damages the Jarvis. He damages the web of information. He disconnects the web of information. And that Devil AI name is called Ultron. When the Ultron came, he brought the information with the biggest web of negativity, all the information. He used the web for spreading negativity and disconnected Jarvis with information. So this is like happened with the with the people. When we have web of information, we are so strong what we are doing. And when we don't have any web of information, we are blank to do anything. We can do anything. If someone will say to you to do this, they will do it. You will do it. Because you don't have any web of information, because you get all of information through isolated method. So, you see? So the purpose of integrating it, got it? And now, with other piece of information, with other piece of information. This is comparing, concentrating. It is used for big picture. This is comparing, concentrating. Concentrating means is building. It's a building. It's a building web, right? It is used for big picture. It is used for big picture. Got it? So now we have reached the dimension second. We have completed the dimension first. The dimension first is what? We have discussed about this much thing. We have discussed about deep processing. Any of you have doubt? You have understood something new? Okay, now you have understood the deep processing. Now we study about self-regulation. So the dimension second. It's called self-regulation. Self-regulation. This is how we use technique. How we use technique. Now the technique will work because we know the deep processing. How we use those techniques to drive that processing, that deep processing. Now you are going to know the method of doing deep processing. Now you are going to know the method of deep processing. Okay? So the goal is deep processing. What is the goal? This is also called the great action, the great thing for the thinkers. Einstein, all the people were busy in deep processing. Chanakya, all the intelligent people love to do this thing. They don't feel discomfort. They even feel very free to put their energy on this thing. Because they have flowed so fast their neuroplasticity. They become so habitual of it. So in this process you will learn how you can be habitual of deep processing. How you can be habitual of deep processing. So the technique is In physical world, what you do, the way you listen, method of learning that you use, यही टेक्निक में सुधार करना है. जिस तरह से तुम सुनते हो, द वे यू लिसन, द मेथड यू यूज, व्हाट यू डू, इन चीज़ों में सुधार करना है. द वे यू लिसन, द मोस्ट पीपल हैव सेल्फ रेगुलेशन. जो पहले से डीप प्रोसेसर होते हैं उनके अंदर पहले से होती है, दे हैव ऑलरेडी द स्किल. They didn't learn this thing like this we are learning right now here. They have developed it by on their own. So most people have self-regulation. Is very low. Most of the people have very low self-regulation. So limited, either badly, मतलब इतना खराब होता है, ये करने में ही हालत खराब हो जाती है. Most of the people have very bad self-regulation. They feel very, very bad. They feel very, very tired. Because this is a very toughest thing. You know, the self-regulation consists of three things. Self-regulation consists of three things. The first is cue. The second is monitoring. And third is adjusting. Cue, देखो कैसे सुन के, the way you do or you do listen, right? दो चीज मिलेगी देखने में, क्या ये आइसोलेटेड है और integrated. Okay? If it is isolated, stop doing it. Try to put some more efforts. Try to relate with your life. Try to understand what you have learned. Don't go ahead. Learn again. Read again. Ask again. Try another way. Try to figure out through dictionary. Try to learn from experts. But don't take this thing as isolated. Don't keep any information in your head. It will weight your head. It will give you the burden of information in your head. So once you understood that is integrated, now you can relate in your life in a positive way, in a as it is way. Then you monitor. So cue is that listening, and this thing monitoring is called monitoring. You are now monitoring, it is isolated or integrated. If it is integrated, that's good. And now if you have something badly you have learned, now you have adjusting, means unlearn. Ready to forget what you have learned wrongly. Ready to forget. Ready to erase. Ready to erase those old beliefs that is affecting you in a bad manner, that is affecting your performance. Getting me? So adjusting is what? Unlearning plus rewiring. Unlearning and rewiring. Understood? Now it seems like you are excited. Understood? First is that cue, understand, monitor through isolated or integrated. Once you figure out it's isolated, oh, forget, stop it, don't do it, just learn again. Try to understand it in different method. Try to hit it other way. How it can do it? We can do in a more effective way in upcoming time. Like in 5 to 10 minutes, I will tell you that how it's happened. So monitoring is understood. Now adjusting, unlearning and rewiring. And to be master in it, repeat that process. Anything you learn, ask from yourself. Do I have any connection with this information, with other information? If I don't, ask from the people. Ask from the person who is speaking you, who is giving you the information. He must have. At least he must have. That's why he's saying. If he doesn't have, go to Google. Search on Google. But don't keep information without connecting. Without any connection. Because the information you will keep in your head without any connection, that information will not stay with you longer. You will forget it. Suppose if I teach you anything and you just put this thing in an isolated form, you don't practice at your home, you don't connect in your real life, that information may be a Tally ERP9 or that may be information of Excel, that may be information of English, that may be information of economics, that may be information of accountancy. If you can't relate this thing in your life, if it cannot make a web of information, that information, even if you so hard try to get those information, will be blurred after some time, will be disappeared after some time. So learning is only fun when you have integrated method of learning. Learning is very, very tough, very difficult, very boring, very bad when we have isolated method. When you just remember all the things, keep stuck all the things in your head, just only remembering it because you want to crack the exam. And after that you just feel very free. Why do you feel very free after facing exam? You feel like the burden is gone. It is just because of that method you have used all the time. It's isolated method because you all the information keep in your head and trying to hold like juggling all the things, and the moment you feel like you have faced exam, and after that moment you feel very, oh my god, that's good. I'm not free now. Now you're free to forget all the things. What you have kept in your head. Oh, I was just clutching all the things and tightly very holding all the things, becoming very difficult for me to remember all the things. And that's why it happens, that why people forget all the things what they have studied in the last class. Getting me? How many of you are understanding what I'm saying? Raise your hand. Okay, some of the students are having doubt that what I'm speaking. Okay, are you understanding in the last? Little bit. But not understanding all the things. Okay, that may be possible just because of lack of English quality or like.
Doubt isolated learning or integrated learning.
Yeah, that's interesting. You have asked. That's a great thing. Okay, you have already. Okay, that's great. Now I'm teaching you the again. Okay, just listen. You see, on the here, right? You have this information, right? You have information. Suppose this information is about life. This is about information about maths or science, and you keep this information in your head. You try to remember this thing, okay? And suppose you have other piece of information. You try to use the same technique. You keep this thing in your head, but you don't relate it. You don't connect it with other information. You don't try to figure out the way that how we can use this information as in other perspective. Like you learned English, but you don't know how to use English in workplace. You don't know how to use English in outside of home, in your home, with your cousins, with the strangers. You don't know how to use it. When you try to even use it, you feel so, kind of struggle. So that is happened because you have stored information without making the web. You didn't make any web of information. You just stored information in a separate area. That is a blank room where you put the information. You don't go anywhere, anytime there. You just only come when you come in the class. You just open that room when you come in the class, and after that you just lock the door. So that kind of learning is called isolated learning. It is called isolated learning. So sometimes what will happen, even you have learned so hard, you have tried so hard, you will forget it. Because you don't relate it. Because you don't connect it. So you will forget all the things. So this is called forgotten. Why you forget all the data, what you learn? Because you use this technique. That is called isolated technique. But when you get information and you put information in your head and you have other information as well, you make a web, you connect that new information with the old information, you make a kind of web. Okay? When you make a kind of web, when you can connect information with the other areas of the subject, so that processing is called deep processing. That is called integrated processing. Yeah, that in a common words, it's called integrated processing. In scientific term, it's called deep processing. I took the class of almost 7 days of learning this, to teach you this. from the psychiatrist. And that's why I'm teaching this. Okay, understood? So have you now you have a doubt, or you have doubt like about deep processing and integrated? Still you have doubt? अभी भी डाउट है? ओके, डाउट ये है, क्या बताओ क्या डाउट है? इंटीग्रेटेड में, ठीक है. सो लिसन, जैसे मान लो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ठीक है. आई थिंक डाउट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश, ऐसा हो सकता है. ओके, जैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन है, अब इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने रखी, ठीक है. तो पहले से भी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन रखी थी, जैसे कि आप घर पे क्या खा रहे हो, आपको क्या पहनना पसंद है, क्या खाना पसंद है, क्या शो पसंद है, ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन ही तो है ना. ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन है, और ये आप यहाँ पे मेहनत करना चाहते हो, आप ये पढ़ रहे हो, आप इसको पढ़ के आप जीवन में सफल होना चाहते हो, आप यहाँ पे दोस्तों के साथ टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हो, या ये कुछ भी. मतलब ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई नहीं है. मतलब आप जब दोस्तों के साथ होते हो तो आप दोस्तों में खो जाते हो, जब आप पढ़ाई में होते हो पढ़ाई में खो जाते हो, लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता कि ये सारी चीज़ें आपस में एक दूसरे को इफेक्ट कर रही है. समझ में आ रही बात? आप इस चीज़ को रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे कि आपका फ़ोन चलाना कैसे आपकी पढ़ाई को ख़राब कर रहा है. आप इस चीज़ को रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे कि आपका थाली बैठना कैसे आपके पढ़ाई को बर्बाद कर रहा है, क्योंकि आपकी जितनी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो आपस में जुड़ी हुई नहीं है. और ये सभी इन्फॉर्मेशन, हो सकता है कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको याद है क्योंकि आप वो बार बार करते रहोगे, जैसे फ़ोन चलाना, दैट्स ऑल्सो इन्फॉर्मेशन. लेकिन कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन जो अपने किताबों से सीखी है, जो पढ़ाई से सीखी है, वो आप कुछ समय के बाद भूल जाओगे क्योंकि आप उसको यूज़ नहीं कर रहे, तो वो हो जाएगा फॉरगेटन. क्या हो जाएगा? फॉरगेटन, ठीक है. और लेकिन अगर आप मान लीजिए कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने ली और उस इन्फॉर्मेशन को दूसरे इन्फॉर्मेशन से कनेक्ट किया, पहले से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन थी, जो भी आपने बचपन से सीखा, उस सब के साथ कनेक्ट किया, और आपने बोला हाँ सर समझ में आ गया, ये तो पहले भी हुआ था मेरे साथ, हाँ सर आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, मेरा पढ़ना जरूरी है, अब मैं पढ़ूंगा तो ही मेरे को आगे फ़ायदा मिलेगा, तभी मैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर पाऊंगा, मैं यहाँ से टाइम बचा सकता हूँ, ऐसा. समझ में आ रही बात? तो इस तरीके से आप चीज़ों को कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, आप एक जाल बना पा रहे हो, नॉलेज का नेटवर्क बना पा रहे हो, तो आपके अंदर है डीप, आपने डेवलप कर लिया डीप प्रोसेसिंग. इसी को कहते हैं डीप प्रोसेसिंग. और डीप प्रोसेसिंग की जो नेटवर्क बनाने की क्षमता है, ये हमारे ब्रेन के एक फिनोमिनल के पास होती है, मतलब केमिकल के पास होती है, उसे बोलते हैं न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी. न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी. अब इस केमिकल को रिलीज करने के लिए, इस केमिकल को पुश करने के लिए दो चीज़ें होती है हमारी बॉडी में. पहली चीज़ क्या होगी? आपको डिस्कम्फर्ट फील होगा, ठीक है. दूसरा, आपको एफर्ट डालने पड़ेंगे, मतलब आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ये करने में, आपको थकावट महसूस होगी, और दूसरा थकावट होने के बावजूद आपको और ताकत लगानी पड़ेगी. ये तो बिल्कुल ऐसा ही हो गया कि ताकत, डिस्कम्फर्ट नहीं होता, ताकत पूरी लगा सकते हो, लेकिन डिस्कम्फर्ट में पूरी ताकत लगानी पड़ेगी, और फिर जाके ये न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी केमिकल रिलीज होगा, फिर ये जाके मतलब कि दिस विल वर्क. और जब ये वर्क करेगा तो आप चीज़ों को इमेजिन कर पाओगे. आइंस्टीन सेड दैट नॉलेज इज नॉट सो इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इमेजिनेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Imagination is more important than knowledge because imagination gives you this phenomenal happen in your head. It helps you to create the web. Imagination के थ्रू तो हम कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं चीज़ों को. So we can imagine just because of this chemical. This chemical helps us in imagining. Getting me? Now you have understood. Okay. So अंडरस्टूड कैसे ये चलाना कैसे, डीप प्रोसेसिंग करना कैसे. आई वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश बट लेट्स जस्ट कंटिन्यू द डिफॉल्ट फॉर्म. लाइक द क्यू इज दैट यू गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन, द सेकंड इज मॉनिटरिंग, एंड थर्ड इज एडजस्टिंग. एडजस्टिंग इज व्हाट? पहले जो सीखा उसको मिटाओ, अगर वो इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं है तो उसको मिटाओ. अनलर्न, अनलर्न मतलब सीखे हुए को मिटाओ, गलत सीख लिया है मिटाओ मिटाओ मिटाओ, ठीक है. उसके बाद रीवायर करो, सही से ठीक करो. तार गलत जोड़ दी थी, अब हटा के सही तार जोड़ो. मतलब तार क्या है यहाँ पे? आदतें. द वायर्स आर हेयर हैबिट्स. एंड रीवायरिंग करने का मतलब क्या है? मोल्डिंग द हैबिट्स, चेंजिंग द हैबिट्स, फॉर्मिंग न्यू हैबिट्स, ब्रेकिंग ओल्ड हैबिट्स. ब्रेकिंग ओल्ड हैबिट्स इज व्हाट? अनलर्निंग. समझ में आई बात? क्लियर हो गया? सो नाउ वी जस्ट गो ahead. That is what I'm talking about. The fast way to deep processing. Fast way to do deep processing. Deep processing. The fastest way क्या है deep processing करने का? Change your method. क्या है? Change your method टू फाइंड द मेथड। ये मेथड काम नहीं कर रहा, कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा ट्राई करो, दूसरे मेथड से ट्राई करो, सुन के रिकॉर्ड करो, रिकॉर्ड करके सुनो, कैसे भी करो, दोबारा करो, नहीं हो रहा तो दोबारा करो। चेंज द मेथड टू फाइंड द मेथड, फाइंड द राइट मेथड फॉर यू। समझ आई बात? काम नहीं कर रहा, पढ़ने में मजा नहीं आ रहा, कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा तरीका ढूंढो, सही तरीका ढूंढो, सब कुछ शांत कर दो, फोन को दूर रख दो, जो पढ़ रहे अच्छा उनसे पूछो, रीडिंग करके पढ़ो, सुनते समय डीप प्रोसेसिंग करो। इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं हो पा रहा, कोई बात नहीं, रीडिंग कर दो, पहले रीडिंग कर ली, अब सुनो, पॉज करो, ट्राई टू इंटीग्रेट, ट्राई टू पुट सम एफर्ट। रीडिंग करोगे तो क्या है, डिस्कम्फर्ट ज़्यादा होगा, क्योंकि पढ़ते समय पढ़ने में एनर्जी लगानी है और समझने में भी लगानी है। तो रीडिंग कर दो पहले एक बार, और फिर जाके लिसनिंग पे ध्यान दो, लिसनिंग के समय पे इंटीग्रेटेड करने की कोशिश करो। मैं नहीं कह रहा कि यही मेथड काम करेगा, मैं कह रहा हूँ कोई भी मेथड काम कर सकता है, आपको मेथड अपने आप ही ट्राई करने पड़ेंगे। समझ आ रही बात? ओके, नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द एडजस्टमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द, टाइम क्या होगा बेटा? अच्छा ठीक, एडजस्टमेंट दैट कैन मेक विद माई करेक्ट मेथड, दैट कैन मेक, हाँ, माई करेक्ट, मतलब ऐसे क्या एडजस्टमेंट करो जिससे मेरा मेथड सबसे सही हो जाए। मेथड टू जस्ट squeeze out more of edges, मतलब कि मैं उन कॉर्नर, समुद्र जो कॉर्नर है, समुद्र का कॉर्नर है, समुद्र का अंत वही है ना, मतलब समुद्र उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता, उससे आगे तो जमीन आ गई, तो वो समुद्र का एज हो गया, क्या हो गया? तो ऐसे अपने ब्रेन का एज जानना है हमें, कि ब्रेन की पोटेंशियल क्या है। समझ आई बात? तो इसे बोलते हैं व्हाट आर द एडजस्टमेंट दैट कैन मेक ए करंट मेथड टू द जस्ट स्क्वीज आउट। स्क्वीज आउट मीन्स मोर ऑफ एन एज, मतलब कि दिमाग के बीच में ना रहे हम, दिमाग के कॉर्नर तक पहुंचे हम। मतलब द ब्रेन इज लाइक ए समुंदर, और किनारे पे पहुंचना मतलब एज पे पहुंचना। लाइकवाइज यूज योर ब्रेन इन सच ए मैथड, थ्रू सच ए मैथड ट्राई टू गिव सो मच एनर्जी सो दैट यू कैन रीच टू द एजेस ऑफ योर ब्रेन। ये मेरे दिमाग की जो है सीमा है, मतलब एजेस पे पहुंचना, या स्क्वीज आउट कर देना उसको, एजेस को बढ़ा देना, समुद्र को तूफान ले आना, सुनामी ला देना, सब पानी पानी कर देना उधर। समझ आई बात? मतलब आपको लगता तो है कि यही एजेस है, सर मैं इतना ही सोच सकता हूं, कभी भी अपने आप को लेबल मत दो। डोंट लिमिट योर सेल्फ बाय लेबलिंग, डोंट लिमिट योर सेल्फ बाय लेबलिंग। बिफोर सेइंग मैं प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करता हूं, मेरे से टाल मटोल होता है, मैं फोकस नहीं कर सकता, डोंट गिव दिस काइंड ऑफ सजेशंस, आई विल टेल यू व्हाई। अंडरस्टूड? Okay, so the process is Q, monitoring, adjusting. Okay, the Q is here, attention. Attention की ताकत को बढ़ाओ, attention से जानो कि ये isolated है या integrated। ये कब होगा? attention, और आपका फोन attention खा रहा है तो आप इस चीज़ को समझ ही नहीं पाएंगे। अगर आपका पॉलिटिक्स या आपका कोई भी इन्वायरमेंट अटेंशन खा रहा है तो आप समझ नहीं पाएंगे कि इंटीग्रेटेड चल रहा है या आइसोलेटेड चल रहा है। तो अटेंशन अपने पास होनी चाहिए, मेरी अटेंशन मेरे पास, कोई छीन के दिखा दे। समझ में आ रही बात? जैसे मेरा कोई पेन नहीं छीन सकता है, या जब मेरा कोई क्रिकेट का बैट नहीं छीन सकता मुझसे, या मेरा कोई मोबाइल फ़ोन नहीं छीन सकता जैसे मुझसे, या मेरा कोई एसेट नहीं छीन सकता मुझसे, ठीक वैसे ही मेरी कोई अटेंशन भी नहीं छीन सकता। So you have your entire attention, and then you have collective or sum of attention, and you can use that entire attention in just working in one thing, that is understanding isolated or this will decrease the discomfort. This will increase the efforts. If you collect all information, grab all information from the all subjects you are involving it, oh, I don't interested in all the things, I am interested in me. Then it will make more comfortable environment for you to study and will give you more energy to boost your efforts. Getting me? The solution? Okay, this will help you to attention. This will help you to monitor. Okay, so how we monitor? Let's we do something about it. Monitor means includes do something about it. Monitor is adjustment techniques. Adjustment techniques to make it more integrated, to make it more integrated. Okay, got it? Understood? Adjusting is unlearning and rewiring. Got it? So what's the most important point that you should write? What small change? What small change could I make that would take it one step closer to my target adjustment? मतलब कि मैं एक ऐसा काम छोटा सा क्या कर सकता हूँ जिससे मेरी एडजस्टमेंट और अच्छी हो जाए. मैं ये पेन का यूज़ करता हूँ ताकि मेरे लिए पढ़ाना आसान हो जाए. मैं इस माइक का यूज़ करता हूँ ताकि मैं रिकॉर्ड अच्छे से कर सकूँ. मैं स्क्रीन का इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम इम्प्रूविंग माई अटेंशन बाय एडजस्टिंग दीज ऑल थिंग्स. If I would write on the board, can't remember all the things, can't record all the things so effectively, I'm using this technique. I'm using these all gadgets to work for me. I am not slave to my gadgets. My gadgets are slave to me. Slave of mine. मतलब मैं अपने गैजेट्स का गुलाम नहीं हूँ. मेरे गैजेट्स मेरे गुलाम हैं. Got it? I control my gadgets. I don't allow my gadgets to control me. This is what? Integrated thinking, right? So what am I talking right now here? Repeating the process. This is a process. Okay, small step, take small step and repeat. Repeating the process of cue, monitoring and adjusting. This is called learn to learn. This is called learn to learn. Okay, so technique is not important. Technique is not so important. The pattern and the habit of thinking makes the difference. Why people cannot make integrated thinking? Why people cannot make, I will finish this class and I will continue this tomorrow. इसके बाद 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे हम. Make integrated thinking. Because it is so harder. It is so harder and require more efforts. So this create a situation called the interpreted called effort हाइपोथेसिस। मतलब ज़्यादातर लोग इसलिए इसको नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि इसको करना ही बहुत मुश्किल है। इट रिक्वायर्स सो मच एफर्ट, और जिसकी वजह से एक सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो जाती है द मिस इंटरप्रिटेड, मतलब कि जो उनके दिमाग में बैठ जाती है क्या, एफर्ट हाइपोथेसिस। एफर्ट हाइपोथेसिस, इसमें क्या होता है कि इंसान का जो एफर्ट लगाने की क्वांटिटी है उसको पता ही नहीं चलता कितनी क्वांटिटी लगा रही पड़ रही है। जितनी लगा रहा है कुएं में जा रही है, जितनी लगा रहा है मतलब उसको पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि वो भर रहा है कि नहीं भर रहा है। मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है एफर्ट्स की। अब इस वजह से लोग या तो मेहनत करते रहेंगे या उसे बीच में छोड़ के, एंड दैट सिचुएशन कि जब वो छोड़ के चले जाएंगे, दैट्स कॉल्ड एफर्ट हाइपोथेसिस। समझ आई बात? तो ये ज़्यादा एफर्ट मांगता है। गॉट इट? तो आज के लिए आई होप सो आपको समझ में आया, आपका समय ख़राब नहीं किया मैंने, ठीक है, आपको सीखने को मिला। तो मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय।